Welcome to Pemberley Farm. Well, today I'm doing a quick video to tell you about something that is going to go on at the end of this month, in the month of July 2021, for those of you watching this another time, in our area. So I know those of you that are way out of town, it might not be helpful, but those of you that are in the Panhandle of Florida, Northwest Florida, on July 31st, there will be an event at the Panhandle Pioneer Settlement in Blountstown, Florida, and it is called Keepers of the Old Ways. And there will be many things there that people doing things in the old ways, including Pemberley Farm. We will be there teaching 2 classes. Now, the Pioneer Settlement in Blountstown, like I said, you have to pay to get in there, and if you get your tickets early, it's $6. If you wait till the day, then it's $8 to get in. But there'll be a huge amount of stuff for you to see and do, even if you don't take the classes. And it is just, the Pioneer Settlement is just what it sounds like. It is old houses that they have brought from places. I call it rescue. They have rescued them from places and restored them. And so you can go in those houses and see how they lived long ago. All right, but as far as Pemberley Farm, we will be teaching a breakfast class at 8:30, and we will be teaching a lunch class at 11:30. So now these classes are $15 a piece, plus the Eventbrite fee, which is like $2.50, I think, something like that. And you can go online on Eventbrite, and you can pre-buy your tickets. Like I said, it would be $17.55, I think, all total. And what you will get is hands-on experience on how to do cooking on the open fire in cast iron. We'll also do some smoking. There'll be a small smokehouse set up. You'll learn about that, and even how to set up one of those smokehouses. It's portable, just so you know. So anyway, and it is definitely in the old ways. It's not a modern thing. So anyway, we're excited about it. And after we've done, we're finished with our class and all the food is cooked, then you get to eat it. So you get breakfast included in the breakfast class. You get lunch included in the lunch class. Again, total price with Eventbrite's fee is $17.55 for the classes, and that includes your meal. You'll also go away with a notebook that on everything we've covered in the class, and so it's a pretty good deal. And like I say, there'll be many more things to see. Our class will be an hour and a half long. Each of the classes will be an hour and a half long, so you'll have plenty of time during the day to go and see all the other things that are going on there. And it is from 8 in the morning Central Time to 4 in the afternoon. Again, this is Central Time. So if you're anywhere around Blountstown, Florida, which is in the Florida Panhandle, please come out and see what all is going on there. Sign up for our class on Eventbrite. I suggest maybe you sign up early. They're expecting a lot of people. So sign up early. Go ahead and get your tickets for our classes. If you want to take both classes, that's great. If you want to just take either breakfast or lunch, that's great. So anyway, I thank you for joining us. Do not forget, Ashley will put a link to Eventbrite, to that event, in the description below. And so come out and join us for the Keepers of the Old Ways. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. You'll get a lot of information from everyone there. Thank you for watching Pemberley Farm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a blessed day.